Track 21.
Hello, I'm Alice Brown and you're listening to Radio Gold. Today we're talking about getting up in the morning. For some people it's really difficult. So, are there ways to make it easier? Well, I'm at Wilton School to find out. With me are some students from Class 3B. Now, can I start with you? Tell me about your routine. What's your tip for a perfect morning?
Well, my alarm clock goes off at 7 and I leave the house at past. My tip is that when your alarm goes off, get up immediately. Don't lie in bed checking your messages. Open the curtains and make the room really bright. That will wake you up and make you feel good.
Thanks. And what's your tip?
Well, before I have my shower or have my breakfast, I do some exercise. I do some star jumps or maybe a bit of yoga. I never feel tired after that.
OK, sounds good. And do you have another tip for us?
Yes. My favourite tip is to put your alarm clock on the other side of the room. I always do that. If it's next to me, I switch it off and go back to sleep.
Great. And what about you?
I get up at about 7 and have a shower. Then I tidy my room and go downstairs for breakfast. I always have some orange juice, and that really helps me to wake up.
OK, well, that's easy. And how about you?
Well, my tip is to have a cold shower in the morning. The first time you do it, it's quite difficult, but it makes you feel amazing. Then have a good breakfast after your shower, and it's the perfect start to the day.
Oh, I'm not sure about that one, but thank you. OK, we've got time for one more. Tell me about your tip.
Well, when I'm having my breakfast, I always do a puzzle. Sometimes it's a Sudoku and sometimes a crossword. It makes me think hard and after that I don't feel tired anymore.
That's a really unusual idea. Well, thanks everyone for your excellent tips. And we'd love to hear more from our listeners. Just send a text or email to the